Here is a wonderful 2022 Ram 1500. With less than 15,000 miles on the odometer, this vehicle stands out from the rest. Rise to every challenge with confidence in the Ram 1500. Its impressive towing capacity, advanced safety features, and passenger comfort keep you cool under pressure. These are just some of the great options this vehicle comes with: heated steering wheel, pre-collision system, keyless entry, backup camera, wood grain interior trim, power passenger seat, premium sound system, satellite radio, fog lamps, heated mirrors. Don't do the job unless you can do it right. Drive the truck that has the capability you need, the Ram 1500.